Hello people! Welcome back to another vlog. So today is Tuesday, TGIT. Thank God it's Tuesday! Yay! So today we are going, and today is the day that I'm gonna get my hair done. Kasi super haba yun na guys. So I'm planning to make a little bit short lang. Pero gusto ko kasi layer pa din para hindi siya masyado mabigat. Super haba na siya. Sabi ko, nakakaya ko pa din siya kahit mahaba siya. Kasi siguro layered siya guys. So ayan. So that's my hair right now. Ayan yung itsura niya dyan. And, di ba naka-bleach ako before? So, I'm planning to color it, yung normal lang. Kasi, hindi na ako pwede makakapag-bleach after ko manganak. And, of course, kahit ngayon kasi buntis tayo, bawal tayo magpakulay ng bongga. So, sabi ng, sa akin, ng in-inquiran ko, doon talaga ako nagpapakulay ng buhok ever. So, sabi niya sa akin, okay naman daw yung kulay. Yung normal kulay lang. So, I'll do that. And, sayang yung aking pa-bleach. Kasi gusto ko sana siya i-maintain. Tapos, like, iiba ko yung kulay. Kaya lang, we cannot do that right now. Kasi nga, buntis tayo. And, after how many years pa, we cannot do that. Kasi feeling ko, magbe-breastfeeding na naman ako again. So, yan. Mag-normal kulay muna tayo, guys. Ayun. So, ayun. Yan yung plan natin today. And Mia will be going to daycare. And kumakain lang siya ng bread with, Nutella. So, inuubos niya, guys. Pero sabi ko, tilisan mo na. Nanood pa kasi ng iPad kaya tumatagal. Naiwan namin yung kanyang water bottle sa bahay ng parents ko nung Sunday. So, pipick upin ko yun mamaya. And she will use this water bottle for now. Let's go na, Mom. It's gonna be late. Yung appointment ko is 12 and 11:20 na, guys. Say hello to the people na. What are you having? Huh? What is Mia having? Naglagay na naman yan siya ng lipstick. Tinan nyo yung bibig. Hello, people. Don't open that one. You cannot open that one. Just a straw. No.
There wasn't like
Oh, is it? Is that hard to drink? Really? Mommy have to fix it then. Come on. So this is the color, guys. I don't know kung saan dito. Mas maganda to, no? Or mas maganda to. I don't know. Ito yung last time na nilulok ko. Pero sabi ng gagawa ng buhok ko, ito daw mas maganda. So, try that. Hello people! O, diba? Tingnan nyo ang ating buhok. So, ka-layer tayo, nagpakulay. Hindi na siya yung may highlights, guys. And then, nagpabangs tayo ng very... ganyan lang. Ganyan lang yung bangs natin. Ang kati niya actually sa eyes. Kasi hanggang sa eyes ko siya, guys. And, naiinis ako kasi sobrang mahangin sa labas. And, pag lalakad ako, like, gumaganon talaga siya. Anyway, ang ingay ng ating aircon. Full blast talaga to, guys. Kasi nga, ang init pagpasok ko sa car. So, ayan. Hindi pa straight yung bangs ko kasi parang siya ni ate. Nung pag-blower niya, parang hindi siya straight. Ayan, o, diba? Anyway, nag-grocery ako ng very konti. And then, bumili din ako ng chicken sa Ultimate. And punta tayo dun sa, tawag doon? Nakalimutan, Katak Seafood. Kasi gusto ko ng crab. Nagka-crave na naman tayo ng crab. Kasi close yung isang branch nila dito sa Coventry. And dito tayo sa Coventry nagpaano ng hair. Diyan ako lagi pumupunta. Kasi kilala na nila ako. Siya din yung gumawa ng buhok ko last time. So, yeah. Ayan, guys. Sa Jackie's Hairstyle Ata Studio. Ayan, sa Coventry. So, bili lang ako ng crab and then we gotta go home. And on the way home, pick up natin si Mia. Ito lang yung problema kapag nagbabangs. Nakakatihan ako, guys, sa mata. Kasi yung pag ko hanggang sa eyes siya. yung cut hanggang sa ice. But yeah, woo, init as in 37 degrees ata ngayon sa Perth. Nandito tayo sa bahay ng parents ko. I'm picking up Mia's water bottle. Si Mama. Hello. Wala pa sa pikapong ko pa. Ano na ako ni?
May pasa.
Look at my hair.
Ano color?
I don't know.
Nang kwan.
Basta ging siya lang nagbutang.
May bangs. Ang ka Joy, may bangs to nagbutas.
You like my hair?
O sige na Joy.
Sige, bye.
Ito kami ubra pa.
Off nyo pa?
Oo, cancel.
You're going home. What happened to your pants? Here's the ferry.
Mommy, Mom, stop. Mama's magic.
I'm gonna stop.
Yeah.
Oh.
Magic, go. Go. Go.
Okay, let's go. Magic wand siya. Mia's got a magic wand. Oh. Apple?
No, I want keep.
Which one? This one?
Which one?
Apple?
No,
Which one? This one? Oh, that's not good anymore.
I want.
This
I
apple?
want. No,
Which one? There's nothing in there.
I want that one.
This one, it's just so soft now.
I
I'm
want.
not sure if it's still good inside.
I
Come on.
want banana.
Oh, we don't have banana there. Come on.
It's there, mommy.
No. Only
Can
apple.
put me up, mommy. Can
Only
put
apple.
me up.
Ito yung late
Yes,
snack na lang. See? Only apple, Mia.
I want some apple. I want red apple.
Okay. Oh, hold it. Don't eat yet. We have to wash it. Let's go. Alright, bahay na tayo. Bahay na tayo, guys. And ito yung nabili natin. Squid and ano nga ang fish to? Basta fish. Ayan. Gusto ko i-prito and crab. Magka-crab tayo tonight. Ayan. Si Daddy yung gagawa niyan tonight. And ito yung mga binili nating veggies sa MCQ. We have kangkong, bitter melon, we have mangga, of course. As always, hindi mawawala ang ating green mango. Yes!
Mommy,
And, ano to? Some spinach.
Mommy.
Yes, my love.
I miss my bread when I have candy. Is that the red? I need for my red first.
What bread?
I need for my chocolate red first.
And then you're gonna have candy.
Yeah.
Wow ha, may padili pa siya ha.
This candy.
No, eat your
There's
muffin.
still
Can you eat
more.
the muffin?
Is there more?
Yeah, stop
here?
eating that. Ito yung mga ano natin. Chicken ribs ata to. Chicken ribs.
Mommy,
Chicken wings.
I want to eat
Yes.
hamburger.
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 Yeah. This one drumettes ata to.
Can you open this, Mommy? Can you open this?
We have
Mommy?
pork ribs.
Open this,
Dami ko bili pork ribs. Ikaw, eat muffin first.
No, Mommy.
And then we have the thin slice na pork belly. Yan. Can I sit with Mia? What is Mia eating?
Candy. This is sickle.
Candy?
Yeah, this is sickle, Mommy. Look.
Nerds? She's having nerds. Oh my gosh! Can you see Mommy's face?
Mommy,
Do you like my hair?
Mommy, look at this, my candy sickle. Sickle.
Circle. Do you like Mommy's hair?
Yeah.
You like
Are you
it?
having only one?
Yeah, you like Mommy's hair?
Yeah.
Look pretty?
Lady says, do you hair? Like me. I just read it car.
Yeah. The lady did my hair though. How about mommy's bangs? Do you like mommy's bangs?
Yeah.
There. Mommy got a little bangs. You have a bangs too?
Yeah.
Kanina pagpasok ko sa daycare guys, na matay na ang ating battery. Anyway, so ayun na nga yung kinikwento ko. Kanina pagpasok ko dun sa daycare, nakita ni Mia yung buhok. Sabi niya, wow, mommy, you look beautiful. Tapos narinig ng teacher niya. Kasi nakaupo sila sa grass. And tapos sabi din ng teacher niya, yeah, you look nice. Tapos sabi ko, thank you na lang. Si Mia, grabe talaga. Mommy, you look beautiful. Gano'n talaga yung reaction niya sa buhok ko. Tapos tinouch-touch niya. But yeah, it's so nice. Na-appreciate niya yung buhok ko. Tapos sabi ng teacher niya, oh, she's so sweet. Si Daddy nagpiprito ng crab natin, guys. Pagod na si Daddy sa work. Tapos pinagluto ko pa talaga siya. Gusto ko kasi ng crab, kahit yung pirito lang. Kasi, yan yung ginagawa niya pag ginagawa niya yung tamarind sauce ng crab. So, piniprito muna niya yung crab. And then, last time tinikman ko siya. Sabi ko, okay lang pala kahit nakaprito ng ganito. Masarap pa din siya. So, sabi ko sa kanya, kahit yun lang yung gawin niya ngayon. Kaya, ayun. He is cooking. Daddy is cooking right there. Makati guys, sa mata yung Makati sa mata yung ating pabangs. Tayo na talaga ang may bangs. So, tingnan nyo itong ating eyelashes. Yan yung bagong mascara na ginamit natin. Kanina ko pa nirarab yung mata ko kasi kating-kati na ako sa bangs ko. O, diba? Ang daming apply kasi sa bangs. Lipstick natin is ganun pa din. From Roman, the shade 13, which is the 8th Daughtery. Ayan. Yung shade na ginagamit ko before na I was telling you guys, it's not available anymore sa ganung line ata. Kasi parang, di ko alam baka change nila yung mga shade. So, yun na lang yung mga available. Kasi chinek ko sa Yes Style eh. New hairstyle. Nakita ni Mama kanina, sabi niya, bagay sa'yo may bangs. Kasi naman talaga guys, yung may 5 head talaga tayo dyan. 5 head talaga yan. Pag hindi ako naka-side, ganon, naka-side yung aking, tawag dito, yung ganito ko, yung hiwa ng hair. Ang pangiting na. Oh, it's very dark sa camera, but it's not that dark. Ayan siya guys. Daddy's frying. Hala, hindi ka siya. It doesn't fit. Yung binili ko is female and male. So, ito yung female. Yung male is there. Daddy is cooking the male one. Daddy did the marinade. Ayan. Kunti lang pala. How many is it? Not much. It was so sweet before. That's why I add more lemon. Hi guys. I'm making lemon juice for Daddy. Hindi ko nakikita sarili ko. O, diba? Bongga naman talaga itong ating hair. Hindi ko alam anong kulay yung nilagay ni ate. Basta na-recommend niya lang yung dalawang kulay dun. And then, minix niya ata. Sabi niya, minix niya yung 6.32 na kulay. And yung kulay na dark brown blonde. Yun. Kasi sabi niya, magla-lighten up pa daw to pag mga second wash ko na. Sabi ko, okay lang. Ang ganda na ng kulay. Nakikita niyo ba pag may lights? Yan, pag walang lights, parang wala siyang kulay. Kanina nagpicture kami ni Mia, parang wala siyang kulay. Akala ng friends ko, nagpa-black ako guys. But yeah, we're gonna add more sugar daw. So, let's add more sugar. Sana okay na siya. Kaninang tamis-tamis, kaya nilagyan ko ng more lemon. The sugar is not gonna melt easily, my love. Because it's cold na. Nakita na naman niya sa pantry yung bucket ng, guys, yung pag-Halloween ba? Nakita niya dun, hinalukay niya, nakita niya, sabi niya, I found it, I found it. Ano yun? Nasa table siya. And tinitingnan niya yung mga candies niya. Tinig-isa-isa niya. O, diba? Tingnan yung bata. Kamusta naman yan siya dyan, girl? O, diba? Happy yarn. That's enough eating. Napaka-away your candy kasi need to go shower. That's enough na. Let's go shower na. Pakatapos na may mami linis ng kitchen. And ayun. Nagtim... Ha? 1 kilos. Daddy. Napadami na naman yung kain natin kasi ang sarap ng dinner. Ang laki na naman ng tiyan ko. Bebuyag. Hindi na naman tayo makapaglakad ng maayos. Ay, nako. Sarap ng dinner. Thank you, Daddy, for the crab. Parang okay na ata. Bumili pala ako, di ko napakita sa inyo, ng sweet style spaghetti sauce. Ayan. And tomato sauce. Skittles. Yeah, I told her it's Skittles. Daddy, oh. Mia, pack away your toys now. We have to go upstairs. I want it bigger. I have some?
Yeah.
Thank you. I got the yellow one. Where's the other pen? It's 5. Where's the other pen? The purple one. Can you find the purple one? Habang naghuhugas ako, hinihintay niya ako guys kasi gusto niya kami mag-color. Ayan o. Nag-color niya siya si Elsa. Ang galing niya na mag-color. Pero meron pa ding lagpas-lagpas. Pero okay na ha. Improving. Diba? Lahat blue si Elsa. Pati face. Blue.
Mommy, come sit over there.
Yeah, we're gonna sit. But we're gonna go upstairs now.
Over here, Mommy.
Why?
She told me and I'm good.
You wanna color more? Ito yung ginawa niya nung isang araw. Ang galing oh. Ako yung ng puno. Siya na to. Yan. Basta yung may lumalagpas siya yan. Yung puno lumalagpas nga din eh. Ayan o. Andito naman yung akin. Hindi ko natapos. Sa Target ko to nabili. Hindi at ako nag-vlog nung araw na yun. Yeah, I did not vlog. And ano siya, mess-free coloring. Ayan. Kasi ano eh, parang tubig. Hindi naman, wala siyang kulay guys. Like hindi siya, pag nagdidikit siya sa papel, nagkulay yung papel. Kasi ayan o, plain lang siya dyan. Parang tubig or something. Di ko alam. Anong tawag dito sa pen na to. But yeah, ayan yung tawag sa kanya. Mess-free coloring. Colors only on special paper. Ayun. For special paper lang siya. Sa mga ganitong paper lang. Ito yung akin. Ayan. Ito naman yung ginawa ko. Hindi ko natapos. Diba? Ako din yung nalilibang sa mga ginagawa namin ni Mia eh. Ayun, kumakain siya sa table guys. Tingnan nyo. Where's the purple pen? Ha? Where's the purple one? And then, binilan ko din siya sa Target din ata to. 3 to 4 na size ng underwear. From Target. Ayan. Frozen. Addict siya ngayon kay Elsa and sa Paw Patrol. Ayan. Pero meron pa din siyang ganito. Ayan. Hindi ko alam bakit ganyan yung nandyan. So, ayan siya sa baba. Size 3 and 4. And maganda naman yung fabric. Diba? Nagsasalita ako. Pero wala ako sa screen. Kakaloka. Ang gulo ng buhok ko eh. Let's go upstairs now. Mommy's tired. Are you gonna follow me upstairs?
Daddy can.
Dapat nakaligo na siya eh. Ano na? 8:20. Normally, natatapos kami kumain mga 6 or 7.
Why you wanna shower, Daddy?
Naliligo na siya agad-agad.
Why you don't
Minsan-
shower with Mommy?
Minsan magkasama sila ni Daddy naliligo.
Why only Daddy?
Kagabi magkasama sila naligo.
Can I shower alone?
Shower you.
No.
Yeah.
Ah.
Come on, let's go.
Why don't you shower with Mommy?
I shower you.
No.
I shower you, Daddy.
Let's go na. Hello people! Tapos na tayo mag-shower and nalagay ko na yung ating eye patch collagen. Ayan siya. Skincare lang ako guys. Guys ko lang to for 30 minutes. I've been using it since binili ko tong eye patch na to. And so far, so good naman. Ayan. Naglagay din ako ng pimple patch dito kasi meron akong, ayan, nakikita nyo ba? Meron akong pimple na kakaano lang. Kakalabas. So, nilagyan ko na agad. What is Mia doing? Tingnan nyo siya. What is that? Show me.
He's a dentist, Mommy.
Oh, you're checking. Binigay kasi yan yung mirror ng
I
dentist.
can check Mickey too, Daddy. Mickey, where are you?
Mia, that's your new toothbrush. Can you na? Ay, no.
You can check Mickey.
Ay, nako, bata. Ayan. And after this, after 30 minutes, guys, I'm just gonna use my La Roche-Posay na serum. Hindi pa siya nauubos, but konting-konti na lang. Ayan. So, yun na lang siya. And, malapit na yan. And then, we're gonna use the Some by Me na serum. Yung binili natin. Ito yung akin. B5 na serum. Anti-wrinkle concentrate, repairing, replumbing. Ayan siya. So, meron siyang hyaluronic acid, vitamin B5, and ayan. So, yeah, so far maganda siya. Nakaka-glow siya ng face. And then, we have this one. Ito naman yung moisturizer ko of the moment. And I'm gonna change this as well once it's finished. Kasi meron tayong bagong binili from Korean shop. Ayan, Hydrating Soothing Moisturizer.
Something over there.
Ayan siya. And ito yung sunscreen ko. Pero minsan ko lang siya nagagamit. Kasi may ginagamit akong iba from Vietnam. Ano kasi yun? Parang may pagka-tinted sunscreen siya. Pero parang hindi tinted sunscreen. Kasi hindi naman siya nakalagay na tinted sunscreen, guys. So, meron din pala nito sa line ng Antelios na tinted sunscreen. Yun yung binili ng kapatid ko. And ito, invisible fluid. So, wala siyang tint at all. And maganda siya, guys. Ayan. So, maliit lang siya. But maganda siya. Ayan, 50 plus SPF. So, good for, ano din to, buntis. And ito yung gamit ko. From Vietnam ko to nabili. Ayan, Clear White, CC Milk. Watery capsule, ganyan. Ceramide boost. I'm not so sure if pwede to sa buntis, pero ginagamit ko siya. Kasi wala namang nakalagay na ingredients dito, guys. Pero gustong-gusto ko kasi siya. And pangalawang bottle ko na to. Actually, pangatlong bottle ko na to, guys. Kasi yung isa naubos ko sa Vietnam. Tapos bumili ako ng bago. And then I use it sa Vietnam hanggang pauwi kami dito. And then this is the third one. Ayan. So, wala na akong extra dito. Diba? Tingnan mo na yung plus plus. Yeah, 4 pluses talaga yan, guys. And maganda siya. I really like this. Hindi ko alam kung meron to sa Pilipinas. Yung brand is Sunplay. So, yan. Yan lang yung vlog natin today. I hope you guys enjoyed our vlog. Nakita nyo na yung hair natin kanina. Ayan. Kasi hindi siya pwede basain. So, pinonetail ko siya. And then, yung bangs ko, nilagyan ko ng clip. Ayan. Ganito na siya, guys. Ka-eksi. Hindi ko akalain na super eksi pala niya. And yung cut ng buhok ko is layered. So, pinalayered ko siya. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, V yung shape na layered. Pero hindi siya V, guys. Straight siya sa likod. Tapos layered siya. Hindi ko alam kung makikita nyo dyan. Pero ayan. Straight siya. Tapos layered na. Which okay lang naman sa akin. Pero mas bet ko yung pa V na design. So, ayan. Sobrang iksi niya na. Hindi na maayos yung ating bangs. O diba? Basta ayan. Anyway, yun lang yung vlog. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe on our channel if you haven't yet. And also don't forget to click the notification bell below if you want to be notified when I upload more videos. And if you want to see our cutie pie, Mia! Mia, wanna say bye-bye? Say goodnight.
What is that speak?
Who did that?
Mia, bye! Bye na to the people. Say goodnight, people! Good night na. Okay, busy talaga siya, guys. What are you doing to your baby?
He needs a dummy. Look, this is his dummy.
She needs a dummy, and that's a dummy?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Baby, you need to brush your teeth and then mine. Take out your dummy. Then, brush your teeth.
Bagong toothbrush talaga yan, Mia.
Good listening to me, baby. My baby's listening to me.
Good job. So, are you listening to mommy?
Yeah, I'm sorry to make you mad.
Kulit-kulit.
Flush your teeth. Floss.
May floss pa siya.
Can't have me that floss. My baby, daddy.
We can't even
Baby?
see it. Floss a baby.
Daddy, my baby's listening to me.
Ay, nako. What are you doing? Okay. Again, my iPad. Oh, you're breaking my iPad. Oh, breaking my iPad. Ang kulit. Oh, hello. Look at my iPad.